Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, March 15, 2023. Today's video is about Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, March 15, 1933, September 18, 2020, was an American lawyer and jurist who served as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States from 1993 until her death in 2020. She was nominated to the Supreme Court by President Bill Clinton to replace retiring Justice Byron White, and at the time was generally viewed as a moderate consensus builder. She eventually became part of the liberal wing of the Supreme Court as the court shifted to the right over time. Ginsburg was the first Jewish woman and the second woman to serve on the Supreme Court, after Sandra Day O'Connor. During her tenure, Ginsburg wrote notable majority opinions, including United States v. Virginia, 1996, Olmstead v. L.C., 1999, Friends of the Earth Incorporated v. Laidlaw Environmental Services Incorporated, 2000, and City of Sherrill v. Oneida Indian Nation of New York, 2005. This official photographic portrait of Ginsburg was taken by Supreme Court photographer Steve Petteway in 2016. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.